So it's still so crazy that I feel like I have to still make these videos in 2024. But one of the biggest scams I've ever seen that is still very prevalent in a lot of different resale markets is this iPhone scam, which will essentially create one of the most annoying, most tedious processes I've ever seen in my life. And I can't believe people are still doing this. But essentially what happens is that everyone kind of knows that within your particular cell phone carrier, you can go ahead and, basically, if you sign up for a new carrier or you do a trade-in deal of some sort, you can go ahead and get a really deep discount on a brand new iPhone. So this typically happens right around when a new iPhone is about to come out. So typically what will happen, this brand new iPhone will basically, end up being released. And when that iPhone ends up being released, what ends up happening is that a lot of people will go and start creating those, trade-in deals for their particular carriers. They'll go ahead and buy that new iPhone. And the way it works is those iPhones will basically be given to you over a statement credit. So it's going to be over time. It's not going to be instantaneously like you're going to get a free iPhone. Maybe sometimes some deals, they might be like that. But for a majority of them, they're usually over a period of time. So that is basically what ends up happening. And what ends up happening here for the most part is that some people will go ahead and buy that particular phone on that carrier. And what they'll do right after that is that they'll go online, sell it. But the problem is when they go ahead and sell it is that those particular devices for the most part won't really be available, on that carrier. They'll go ahead and basically sell that phone. They'll basically get the phones and, get the carrier and everything for it. But the problem here is that those particular devices are going to go ahead and, if they sell it and they're not on their carrier anymore, sometimes they'll go ahead and report it stolen. So this is the craziest thing. They will sometimes go ahead and report those particular devices stolen, and then they'll go and resell it in the used market. I've seen this so many times for so many years, and it really is one of the more annoying things out there. And it can cause a lot of problems for a lot of people. And if you were in the market, I would probably recommend just trying to avoid those particular phones. So how do you know which particular devices are, one of these ones? Usually they're the iPhones that are brand new that are just sealed up. So typically what will happen here is that these are the brand new iPhones that are sealed up and they're selling it for maybe $200 less than the brand new sale price. So if they're sealed up iPhones and they're being sold for significantly less than what you'd expect, that is probably going to be one of the bigger ways that you can probably tell, hey, those phones are probably the issues. So that is kind of what I'd recommend avoiding, is to buying an iPhone that's in the brand new market. It's one of the biggest scams I've ever seen, and I would highly recommend avoiding that. Wait until these iPhones and you can verify and guarantee that these particular devices. What I'd recommend doing is making sure that these particular devices that you're buying don't have any, stolen, you can get the IMEI or ESN number of it, verify that it's not reported stolen, and you want to verify that it was completely paid off before purchasing those particular devices. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.